I was back in the old house, the day we were moving in. I was running around the roof, jumping from pillar to pillar, those that were on the entrance. When I got down, I noticed that my dad was carrying some boxes. I passed by the garage and saw the old couch and next to it the old table. I went to the field next to the house where the church were being assembled. I asked someone who was helping move some of the furniture, "What year is this?" I didn't recognize that person. He said it was 2001. That's when I told my brother, who had just arrived, "This can't be real. We moved to the old house in 2004. I then found an old box full of colored pencils and other school supplies. I recognized the brand of a pencil company and told my dad and my brother, "See, this didn't exist back then. This pencil's really bad for drawing. It breaks every time you try to sharpen it." And I tried several sharpeners. I then looked towards where the sun used to rise. I said, "That's the perfect picture." The hills were a mixture of light red, blue, and yellow. The water reflected the gradient of the sun. I told my brother, "We can't take it from here. I don't want the cables from the electricity poles to show up. We have to go to the other side of the street." I gave my brother my camera and told him that this might be the only chance we got. I might be able to keep it when I wake up. But we have to get inside a piece of land that doesn't belong to us, and the owner would get really mad if he found us there. We went under a fence, but when we got inside, the angle that I've initially seen was way different, and it had gotten a lot darker. I saw the owner from a distance, and that's when I woke up.